Today I'm gonna show you how I record my videos. If you wanna learn how to screen record, ask Google. So the app I'm using is iMovie. You press the plus icon. You press the plus icon and press movie. Then press the video you wanna edit. Press the video you want to edit. If you got the wrong video, press done. And then press the trash icon on the bottom. Then press delete project. Then you try to find the right video, and then you start editing. And then you press the microphone icon next to the camera icon and press record. And say whatever you want to say. It doesn't have to be anything specific, but yeah. Then press accept if you like your recording. And if you want to cut, press on the thing, and it should look like that. And then press, and then you can cut, and then press, and then press snip, I think. And then press snip twice. Then press on the section you want to delete. And press the trash button in the corner. Then if you want to add a picture, just press the plus icon in the top corner and add whatever picture you want to, do what, and press whatever picture you want to put in. Then just watch the video. And then, if you're done, press the done button in the top corner. Yep. I'm gonna press it. Yeah. And then press the share icon. And then press YouTube. Then do whatever you want it, and then press share. Yeah, but I think that's all for today. Like if you enjoyed this little tutorial. And yeah, goodbye.